This channel is pulling 13 million views a month. So in this video, we're going to explore how to make these types of videos, how to create the channel, how to create the ideas, how to find the niche, and then how to upload the videos using free tools like ChatGPT and Canva. First things first, we're going to find the niche. For me, I'm going to make the niche about like Stoic wisdom, quotes. This can be about any niche. It's up to you. It's going to be like about animals, advice, stories, everything. For these types of videos, these videos are really simple to make. It's a simple quote with simple music and some videos on the background. It's really easy to make, and you can actually bulk create these videos really easily. First things first, we're gonna create the channel. We need a channel name, so we can go back to ChatGPT and we can. I'm gonna use the first one, so Stoic Insights looks good. And all you need to create a YouTube channel is just a Gmail account or a Google account, and it's completely free to make. And you go to the account and then switch accounts and then view all channels, create channel, and here you can create the channel. We're gonna call it Stoic Insights. Create channel. Boom, the channel is created. And we're gonna need a channel art, which is the profile photo, if you want to call it. So we can go to Canva, create YouTube channel logo. Yeah, I think I can just filter them by free. Yes, this looks good. This looks very nice. There's this one. Yeah, let's put it here, and then we go to share, download. Go to the YouTube channel, click here, continue on the picture, hit upload, which is here, open. Looks good. Done. And for the description, we can go back to ChatGPT. Please give me YouTube channel descriptions. Good enough. Just copy and paste. And here you can add your email, links for your social media, and all the information about the channel. But for now, this is good enough. So now let's create the videos. To create the videos is a very simple and easy process. So let's take the Stoic wisdom quotes, go to ChatGPT, let's new one. Please give me like 50 or 25. Let's put 50. And I like them without the authors. Without the authors. 49, 50. Perfect. And you go here. Sorry. And you copy everything. You go to your spreadsheet. All you need is, again, a Google account. Go to file. And then download CSV. Always CSV, because we're going to use the spreadsheet later. And now we go to canva.com and we search for YouTube shorts, and you can just put like the keyword quotes, and we can look for. This is really nice. This is good. Let's use this one. Just click on it, customize this template. This is really nice. Again, before you do anything, you can just change the colors, even the video itself, the length, the font, the animation of the font here. You can change it if you want to match your brand. So the text, and then you go to apps, and then you go to bulk create, upload data. You choose the spreadsheet you downloaded earlier, upload, and then you hit the three dots, connect data, and then we choose the data we just uploaded, and then we hit continue, and then we hit generate. Boom, here it is. Very nice. It's like 50 videos are ready, all of them, everything. Look, and of course you can change the size here, the colors if you don't like it, the font if you don't like it. It is completely up to you. I'm just showing you how to do it. And download them, share, download. I'm gonna download only one video for now, just to demonstrate how to upload the video to YouTube. So I'm gonna download it, and then let's go to the channel, create, upload video. I'm gonna choose the vids here, open. It is uploading now, and you can title it, and you can use the spreadsheet. You can use the first quote. Remove the quotations. You can put like a video description to help with engagement. You can add it to a playlist. You can create a playlist. And next, and do you want to just put it private or unlisted? Some people put it unlisted and then they publish the thing, or you can just put public directly, or you can just schedule it and you hit schedule if you want to, or you can just publish now, and it is live. So let's go to the channel and check. Oh, it's finally showing here. So this is the video. And keep posting until you get some engagement, and then you keep testing, see what is working, and you double down, and this is the game for YouTube automation. Guys, if you have any questions, let me know. Please give me a subscribe, please give me a like, that's gonna help me a lot, and thank you guys. Bye.